Every journey begins with a vision, an aspiration that guides our path. In the world of commerce, this vision translates into tangible business goals, heralding a saga of strategic endeavors, unwavering determination, and progressive growth. Recognizing the essence of our journey, the why behind every goal, is crucial. It's not merely about reaching destinations, but understanding the path we carve out. Business goals often encompass scaling operations, boosting customer satisfaction, and hitting financial targets. Yet the true beauty lies in viewing these not as final stops, but as milestones on a continuous journey of development. This insight marks our first step toward realizing our aspirations, initiating a venture of meticulous planning and strategic navigation with a clear end in sight. Let's explore how to transform these visions into actionable realities, setting the stage for insightful strategic planning and execution. With our vision defined and our destination set, we pivot to the crux of our journey, navigating through strategy and planning. Here, we learn that setting objectives is merely the prologue. The essence of achievement lies in crafting a detailed blueprint, transforming lofty goals into actionable steps. This phase is not confined to boardrooms or presentations, but is embodied in the day-to-day decisions, requiring resilience and adaptability. We will uncover stories of startups that reshaped industries with creative solutions and established companies that weathered economic challenges through strategic evolution. These examples highlight the effectiveness of dynamic planning in the real world. As we journey through these narratives, the importance of execution and ongoing assessment becomes clear. These elements, pivotal in turning plans into results, illustrate that reaching a goal is not an endpoint, but a stepping stone to further achievements. As we approach the conclusion of our shared discourse, it's evident that steadfast dedication and precise execution are the keystones in bridging the gap between planning and realization. The final leg is where theory is transformed into accomplishment, where continuous monitoring and adaptability ensure our path aligns with our ambitions. Celebrating each milestone isn't just recognition, but a moment for reflection, assessing the ground covered and the hurdles surmounted. This reflective process not only reaffirms our journey, but also lights the way forward, laden with insights for future endeavors. As this narrative wraps up, we're reminded of the power inherent in persistence and adaptability, essential for navigating the ever-evolving business landscape. Carrying these lessons forward, we stand ready to embrace new ventures, equipped with strategies that have proven their worth in turning dreams into realities.